Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can basically set up and manage the Shopify affiliate program. So basically there are few things that you need to keep in mind, okay, before starting your affiliate marketing program. So the first one is, like, always choose the right products. Okay, so you need to basically choose the product which sells the most, because when someone's basically promote your product with your affiliate link, if the product is super viral, then it will basically get more clicks and more sales from your store. Okay, so you need to basically choose the right product. Then you need to basically set the commissions rate. Okay, so it fairly depends upon you, that how much you can basically set the rates, but you need to basically set the good rates basically. And then select the appropriate affiliate marketing app, and then what you're gonna have to do is just you can basically use the appropriate affiliate marketing app for your Shopify store. Okay, so if we click on like this one, there are like bunch of different apps here that you can use. 11 of the best Shopify affiliate marketing apps to boost your ROI. So this is the refression affiliate marketing app, and then we got referral candy, and then we got up promote, and then we got goal. So there are like multiple different apps that you can use. Find affiliates to partner with. Then you need to basically find the affiliate partners, and this will be the most time consuming task for you. Okay, but if this is done properly, then it will basically get you many more sales and many more success. Okay, so these are the things that you need to keep in mind. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.